Top of 2026, guys. We're going to try some new things this year. We're just going to try to get in front of the camera instead of hiding behind the cars. Try something different, man. Bring you guys along for the ride. Going to build some cars, break some cars, race some cars. You guys just come on along so we can get to it. And I'm going to show you a few things that I got. All right. First up, got to get some new jack stands. Got the purple ones. No longer have a lift, so thanks to QA1, we got new control arms for the front of the Malibu. These are the drag style. These are made out of billet. Super nice quality. If you guys don't use them already, man, you got to go get some QA1 suspension. It's by far the best, made in the USA. And these are the lowers. These are actually for the Malibu. I haven't got anything for the box Chevy yet. I'm just going to switch up the front of the Malibu and go with a different bag setup. Got me a welder. Got to start somewhere, man. I only got 110 out here, so I decided to go with the Titanium 140. I just need to be able to do odd and end stuff. I don't need to get all crazy with the fabrication yet, so I really get learning this down. And this is the stand for the welder. I still got to get some gas for it and stuff. And these are new barrels for the Malibu, brushed. I'll show you those here in a second. These babies are nice. Just clean brushed. Going back from, if you guys have been following for a long time, I had about 4 years ago, I had brushed Ruchis on the Malibu. 3 years ago, whatever it was. I think it was 4. Going back to that brush look. Get rid of the rose gold. Something a little bit more simple. Next thing is the Milwaukee air compressor. I needed this. This thing's just so nice to use at the track or even in here. I'm going to fill up the El Camino front tire that keeps going low. See how it works, see how fast it does. This thing just has a slow leak for some reason. I'll have to take it off and go get it checked. See if it's just, I think it's just the valve stem though. Set this thing to 32. It's not too crazy loud. Set it and forget it. All right, so right at 2 minutes. That's all it took. This thing's convenient. Super nice. I ordered the little air chuck so you can just stick it on there. It just hasn't came yet. Take that off and get it checked. Here's a little look at the Elko. This is a 70. No, it's not an SS. This is my father-in-law's car. Pretty nice. Needs a little trim. Just needs cleaned up. I mean, probably resprayed, but interior's clean. Top's clean. Got the nice rallies with the nice tires. It's got a small block 350 in it. It's like a crate motor. Pretty nice looking. Got headers. This is a crate 350. Edelbrock intake. Edelbrock carb that's going to have to come off. It's got new power steering lines. New water pump. It actually runs pretty good. Just need to get that carb replaced. And here's a look at the box Chevy. I got this thing for real cheap and I threw my welds on it. Interior's not too bad, but you know it's gonna come out. And those seats are going in there. I'm sure dash is cracked and stuff. I ain't really looked at it. Yeah, it's cracked. Yeah, this thing on there. It's not bad though. Got most of the pieces to put it together. Car obviously used to be brown. Headliner's trashed. I can tell that it's bondoed back there. There's not any like huge dents in it. We'll get everything fixed. Should be a little Rough Rider. And then the Malibu. You guys have all seen this. Right now it's just a 6.0. All BTR everything. BTR actually rebuilt my heads with all the new valves, springs, everything that they offer for heads. I got the intake, cam, push rods, lifters, everything. All BTR. Forgiato wheels, bare brakes, QA1 suspension, quick performance rear end, snake eater on the fuel, nitrous outlet. Got some Motion Raceworks goodies in there and here. Speed Engineering headers, Black Widow mufflers, bare reservoir, Vortec V7 YSI-B with 2 blow-off valves, Pro Charger intercooler, fully customized wheels by me. This car is wrapped. I wrapped it 3 years ago. I love the black top, makes it different. Tinted down. It's just unique on airbags. Gotta love it. Well, I'm gonna just get some of this stuff put away. I'm gonna put those away. I'm gonna get this put together. Now I need to get some gas for it. And that'll be it. Thanks guys. Follow along so you can see what's coming next.